Hey guys, it's Marielle here from SERPWizz, the #1 lead generation tool for agencies looking to give white-labeled automated SEO reports. And today, we're just going to show you guys how you can start better using SEO ranking to basically create better SEO analysis. So for today, we're going to go into the specifics on how you can start creating manual reports. Now, just to explain, manual reports are project reports that need to be created manually in your SEO ranking account. These are downloadable reports, and you can send them out directly from the system to your clients, teammates, and or senior management. So there are a few steps that you're going to have to do in order to create manual reports, seeing as, obviously, as the term manual implies, you're going to be having to do this by hand, basically. So first things first, let's just open the project that we're going to make a report on. Head over to the left-hand side. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose a project. We're going to open this one, which we have just for these tutorial videos. And from here, you're then going to see a summary of your information. So this has all been collecting for quite some time, and now that we're interested in creating a report, you're going to want to head over to a different set of buttons. So on the topmost part of your screen, you're going to see a set of horizontal buttons that are laid out beside each other, reading out projects, competitive research, keyword research, backlinks, and as obviously for the purpose of this video, what we're really interested in is the report builder. So let's just click this button, and it's going to open the report builder for us. Okay, so now that we're here, we're going to head over to the Generate a Report button. It's this blue button at the bottom. If you hit, it's beside a plus sign, and if you just click this, you'll be brought to this different page. Now, the great thing about creating reports on SEO ranking is that you can actually specify many things that you'll be including on your report. For one, you can specify the date range upon which SEO ranking will be including information for. So this will be information or any sort of statistics that are collected between like 2 days or within a certain week. So here we're collecting between September 8th all the way up to the day of the creation of this video, and you can just hit apply. Another great thing is that you can also choose from these series of time frames of last week, last month, past 7 days, past 3 days, half a year, and year. So once you're happy with the date range, just hit apply. You can also select whether you want the report to be saved as a PDF, an XLS, which is an Excel sheet, or an HTML. In this case, we're going to go with PDF so that we can basically print this after. Okay, so let's just add some sections. We're going to add a cover page. As you can see here, we're doing a report on the Pearl Lemon tutorial. Next, we're going to add a table of contents. So we've added that, and this will start adding automatically as you add more pages. Next, we're going to add some rankings. Now, the great thing about these tools is that you can actually specify what subsection of your rankings, analytics and traffics, my competitors, social media, and website audits you want in your report. So let's say we only want the project summary and nothing else on the rest of the rankings features. We're not going to have any of that. We're not currently interested in that. And then from here, we're also going to select the information that we want in. So once you're happy with that, just hit save. And your information here will be immediately summarized, graphed automatically for you. So that's easy to read for anyone you might be sending this report to. The same goes for all these other pages for analytics, traffic, my competitors, social media, website audit. And you can add as many sub-selections as you want should you want certain information. Just make sure that once you click add here, the green button beside each sub-selection, you will see it on the bigger page, and you'll have to hit save after changing the necessary information so that in case you only want a specific time frame or depending on what details you can change for these types of information will be saved appropriately. So let's hit save, and now we have an overview of our competitors saved right here. Okay, so another thing that you can add is a marketing plan, the account report, competitive research, and keyword research. Just note that keyword research won't appear unless you make the corresponding changes to the keyword generator, which we did in the creative project video. You're going to have to look at our other video if you want to get more on that, but that's just it for adding the necessary information that comes from your analysis of the website. So some other features that you can add include titles, text, images, page breaks, and obviously if you want to change the text already located, you can also change the logo over here by clicking this button and then uploading an image. Though just note the logo will only appear on the title page unless you specify otherwise. You can also change the title of your report. Let's try adding some text under it. And also, as you can see, the table of contents automatically updates as you start adding sections. So here is where the text box was added. We can actually add anything down here by selecting it. Then you can edit this text box as is, change the design of your text box, add a photo if you want, though there's also the add a photo on the bottom left corner over here. You can even add a page break, which we're kind of interested in. So let's try doing that. So we're going to add a page break in between table of competitors overview and the project summary. Maybe we'll even add one after the table of contents. There we go. There, so now we have 3 page breaks. Okay, so that's just the basics on how to create a manual report and how to edit it. If you need to make any changes to information, or if you're not happy with the information, you're going to have to change it through the project page itself, not through the report. The report just gathers what's already gathered, or at least what's already existing in your report, and summarizes it for you. So any changes to information will have to be done on that end. So that's just it for now. Hopefully this helps you better manage any sort of SEO analysis you might be doing. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe. And if you need any more help when it comes to SEO ranking, be sure to check out the rest of our channel using either the link on the upper right corner of this video or any of the links below. See you next time!